Hey guys, BB here. Ever heard of NFTs? If not, you're in for a treat today. They're like digital trading cards, but for art, music, videos, you name it. Imagine having a digital collection of your favorite artists or musicians. Imagine owning a one-of-a-kind digital artwork that nobody else has. It's like having a rare piece of art, but in the digital realm. That's the magic of NFTs. They bring exclusivity and uniqueness to the digital world. NFTs stand for Non-Fungible Tokens. But what does that mean exactly? Non-fungible means unique and irreplaceable. Each NFT is a one-of-a-kind item in the digital space, so each NFT is special and can't be copied. It's like having a digital certificate of authenticity. It's like owning the original Mona Lisa, but digital. You get to own a piece of digital history. Now, how do NFTs work? How can something digital be so unique? They use something called blockchain technology. This is the backbone of NFTs. Think of blockchain like a big secure digital ledger. It's a way to keep track of all transactions. Every time an NFT is created or sold, it's recorded on the blockchain for everyone to see. This ensures transparency. This makes NFTs safe and prevents counterfeiting. You can trust that your digital asset is genuine. NFTs are changing the way we think about ownership in the digital world. It's a revolution, guys. Imagine the possibilities for the future. NFTs have exploded in popularity. Remember those Bored Ape Yacht Club pictures everyone was talking about? Those were NFTs. Celebrities, artists, and even big companies are jumping on the NFT bandwagon. Why are NFTs so popular? Well, they offer a new way to buy, sell, and own digital stuff. Plus, owning an NFT can be like joining an exclusive club. Some NFTs even give you access to special perks and communities. From art and music to virtual real estate and collectibles, NFTs are everywhere. It's an exciting time to be a part of this digital revolution. Ready to join the NFT fun? It's easier than you think. There are many platforms where you can create and sell your own NFTs. Some popular ones include OpenSea, Rarible, and Nifty Gateway. These platforms are like online marketplaces for NFTs. You can create your digital masterpiece, set a price, and list it for sale. It's like setting up your own digital art gallery. The best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz to get started. These platforms are designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. So what are you waiting for? Let's unleash your creativity. Section 4. Making cool and valuable NFTs. Want to create NFTs that people will love? Here are some tips. First, be original. Originality is key in the NFT world. Think about what makes your art or concept stand out from the rest. Let your creativity shine. The more unique and interesting your NFT, the more attention it will get. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and mediums. Second, do your research. Check out what other creators are making and what's popular in the NFT space. Understanding the market can help you find your niche. Third, build a community. Engage with other NFT enthusiasts on social media and join NFT communities. Networking can open up opportunities and collaborations. And finally, promote your work. Spread the word about your NFTs. Use all available platforms to get your work noticed. Share them on social media, forums, and with your friends. The more visibility your NFTs have, the better. Remember, the value of an NFT is subjective. It can vary greatly depending on the audience and trends. What one person finds valuable, another may not. It's all about finding the right audience for your work. But by following these tips, you'll increase your chances of creating NFTs that people will want to own. So, get out there and start creating. Section 5. Be careful out there. While NFTs offer exciting opportunities, it's important to be aware of the risks. First, market volatility. The NFT market can be unpredictable, with prices that can swing dramatically in a short period. The NFT market can be unpredictable. Prices can fluctuate a lot, so be prepared for ups and downs. Prices can fluctuate a lot, so be prepared for ups and downs. Second, scams. Unfortunately, there are scammers in the NFT space. Be cautious and do your research before buying or investing in anything. Always remember, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. The NFT world is still evolving, so it's important to stay informed and be cautious. NFTs offer a whole new world of possibilities. It's a chance to create, own, and even make money from your digital creations. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of NFTs and see where it takes you. Just remember to be creative. Do your research and stay safe. Good luck, guys. Just remember to be creative. Do your research and stay safe. Good luck, guys.